Welcome back for part 3. So compare my gun to my dad's gun. And this is the bullet he uses for his gun. This is the place he uses to keep his gun safe, and this is where he loads it. Now let's start off with a shot. I already got it loaded, and always look behind your target. You don't know what might be over there behind your target. So make sure you look behind your target first. And I hit the backboard. I hit the backboard twice. There we go. Let's see if I can hit the bullseye this time. Bullseye for $15 for my dad. Or it's quite hard. Okay, that's not a bullseye. Let's load it again. It is so hard. You need to load this gun.